Hey guys, welcome back to another Roblox Studio tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a working flashlight. It will have sounds and you'll be able to toggle it on and off. Let's get started. First thing we're going to do is insert a flashlight model. So I'm going to go into the toolbox and in this drop down, I'm going to click mesh parts and look up a flashlight. I'm going to be using this one for the tutorial. And this will be what the player will be holding when the flashlight is equipped. So I'm gonna name it handle. So I'm just gonna delete this one. Now that we have that, I'm gonna click this plus in the workspace and I'm gonna insert a tool. Now drag the handle inside of the tool and click the plus in the tool and look up spotlight. This will be the light that comes out of the flashlight when we activate it, so feel free to customize it to your liking. So now we have the spotlight, we can add a local script to the tool. Now we can start scripting the actual flashlight. So we're going to delete this and add a local handle equals script.parent.handle. Now we can start on the function. We're going to do script.parent.activated connect parentheses. Now when the player activates the flashlight, it'll do whatever we type in this function. So we're going to do if handle.spotlight.enabled equal to true, then handle.spotlight.enabled equals false. Now enter and go back one. So line up with the if, then type else, enter handle, and this else statement is basically the same as this, but instead of true, it's false. So handle.spotlight.enabled is equal to true. Now, if we click play, you should wait. Before we click play, click stop real quick. Drag the tool to the starter pack. Now, click play, and it will be in our hotbar. So if we click it, it'll turn on and off. There is a little delay, but when we equipped the flashlight, it was already on. So like that. So we don't want that. So I'm going to go back to the script and go to the bottom and type script.parent.equipped connect function parentheses. Now type handle.spotlight.enabled equals false. So now if we go and click play, I'm gonna wait a little bit, and if we equip it, it isn't already on. Now we can add some sound. So go back to this drop down and go to audio. Now we get all these flashlight sounds. So let's listen to some. No. I think I'm gonna choose that one and this one. So we're gonna go to the tool and click on flashlight on. Click on the tool again, hit flashlight off, and make sure there isn't a space in it, because we can't really type spaces in the script. But before we do that, let's click on both of those sounds and put them in the handle. So type candle dot flashlight off, because in this if statement we're turning flashlight off. So go back, then colon play. Now we're gonna do the same thing over here. So let's just copy this line of code and paste it here, and then change this flashlight off to flashlight on. Now if we click play and wait a little bit, if we turn the flashlight on and off, it'll play the sound. And that's going to be it for this tutorial. Now you have a working flashlight in Roblox Studios. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions on what I should make a tutorial on next, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching. See ya.